Looking for a budget-friendly way to add storage to your space? Let's turn simple wooden crates into a stylish custom bookcase. No carpentry skills needed. Start with 4 or 8 rectangular wooden crates. You can find them at most craft stores, unfinished and ready to customize. Choose your favorite stain or paint color and coat each crate evenly. Make sure to cover all sides for a polished look. Now comes the fun part. Layout. Arrange your crates in a pattern that fits your space and style. Stack them, stagger them, or go symmetrical. It's totally up to you. Once you're happy with the design, use wood glue to attach the crates together. Secure them with binder clips or clamps to hold everything in place while the glue dries overnight. The next day, drill small pilot holes and insert short screws to make your bookcase extra sturdy. This step locks everything in for long-term use. Time to decorate. Add your favorite books, plants, baskets, or accessories. You've just created a beautiful, functional piece that brings personality and order to your home. Simple materials, stunning results. And best of all, you made it yourself.